that time of year again. We got Drydock, our annual Drydock scheduled. We got a haul out here scheduled at 8:30. So it's like Christmas morning here, you know, or Thanksgiving, or no, I'm joking, it's an absolute nightmare. Well, that worked out. I was rushing down here thinking that we had an 8:30 haul out, and they decided to put another boat earlier, so looks more like we're gonna be hauling out at 9. So yeah, no need to rush, I guess, and let's kind of get you in par for the course right now. Rock, paper, scissors. Losers got to jump in the water.
Sounds good.
Best of 3.
All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hold on. I thought 1, 2, 3, shoot.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh man, come on. Okay, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then say
1,
shoot.
2, 3, yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Hey. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah! Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah! You're going for a swim. Well,
sounds about right. This game's rigged.
Yep. All right. Let's go haul this pig out.
Come out of break of night, and the pink skies waving goodbye. She come out of break of night, leaving no traces around. She's trying to free a reckless heart. She's trying to be as light as a breeze. Queen of art and Friday morning. The queen of art and Friday morning. She come out of break at night. Let's create as always. You come out of break one night, you'll be wearing her charm so frail.
Here we go. Splash day. Finished up in Drydock. Are you sad Drydock's over?
Heartbroken now. Just have to get through the fishing until next year.
Yep.
This is really,
I know that's your favorite part of every year.
It's really what I do it for. You know, the fishing part.
Addicted to the Drydock. So we finished up Drydock about a week and a half. We banged out a bunch of stuff on that boat. It's looking really good. I'm stoked on it. It's sounding good. Kind of excited about these new propellers we're trying out. Just trying something new here. So what they've done is added a little bit more cup than my older ones, which will reduce in any type of a cavitation. And they've welded these like tiny, almost like marble looking things on the inside of the blades, which they basically came up with the idea off of airplane wings. They have them on there to reduce cavitation stuff. So basically, the long and short of it is, we're looking for a prop that's supposed to be buttery smooth, super quiet, minimal prop wash, and get me to my trolling speed at a lower RPM. So enough of me talking, let's go do some fishing.
All right, we're back on the water after our dry dock. Good to be back. Got a nice, slick, calm day to start. See what we can find out here today. Got a good feeling. See what happens. Alright, ended up getting a blue, about 250 today, and then getting a spearfish too. So these guys, all stars. First blue marlin, first spearfish, so something for everybody today. Yeah, good time. What do you think? First billfish or first marlin? Yeah.
First marlin, unreal.
Yeah, sick, man. Yeah, pretty work, man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you guys making it happen. So yeah, back at it tomorrow. See what we can do. Nice Kona sunset.